Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have this problem. It's called unique number of occurrences. In the previous video we solved it in the count way, and in today's video we try to solve it with HashMap. Let's just read the problem first before solving the before talking how we can go with the second approach. So we have given an array of integers called array, or return true if the number of occurrences of each value in the array is unique, or false otherwise. We have example here. We have the input called R. It has 3 ones, 2 twos, and 1 3, and the output should be true because the value of 1 has 3 occurrences, the value of 2 has 2, and the value of 3 has 1. So no two values have the same number of occurrences. In this array it's false because number 1 has 1 occurrence and number 2 has 1 occurrence, so we have duplication in occurrences, so we return false. And this one will return true because like number minus 3 has 3 occurrences, number 1 has 4, number 0 has 2, number 10 has 1, so there is no duplication occurrences. So how can we solve this problem? This one will be really easy. We can do it in 3 steps. The first step is that we create a map, a hash map, and in this hash map we store all the frequency of each number and its frequency value. And after that we try to create a set. And if you don't know what is a set and what's the difference between set and array, a set, it's like an array, but basically it has a unique values. And when we create a set based on the values that are in the map, and the values are in the map, they are represented the frequency of each number. So when you create a set of the values that are in the map, we make sure that the set only accepts the unique values. So if this array is unique, the map size will equals the set size. Let's just try to be in code, because in code it will be way more easier to understand. So number 1, let's just try to create a map. Let frequency, it will be new map, okay? And in this one I will just let each number of the array, I will store the number on its occurrences. So I'll say frequency dot set. Okay, so I'm saying num. Okay, number is, each number will be a key, and its value it will be 1. However, if this number was like, let's say that I have this array, okay, like 1 3 and 1 again. That's 1 3 and 1. So right now I'm taking let's just put our map. So here I'm putting set 1, it will be equals 1, and I will continue 3 will equals 3, and I will continue here, and I have 1 again. So 1 it equals 1, I have already 1 equals 1. 1 should equals 2 because I'm sorting the frequency as value. So how can I do that? So instead of doing 1, I want to make a specific check. For example, I want to say if the frequency dot get num, if we plus 1 or create 1. So for example, what I'm saying there, if we have the num already, take its value and add 1 to it. Otherwise, otherwise assign a new value as 1. So we make sure right now we're storing the frequency, we're storing in the map each value and with it each frequency. So this is the first. The second thing, let's create a set. So let frequency set, and which equals a new set. Oh, sorry, a new set. And let's just try to store the count. So I will say for let's say value of the frequency dot values. I'm right now, the values are the frequencies, okay? Because basically the values is getting, I'm getting all the values, all the frequencies. So I will say frequency of set dot add the value, and yeah, and the set, it only accepts the unique values, doesn't accept everything different. So I wanna expect if they are a unique array, if the occurrences are unique and there is no duplication in the occurrences, I expect that the frequency size, the frequency size will equal to the freq set size. That's it. It's a pretty easy one. Okay, so it was accepted. How many people did I beat? Okay, I beat only 20. Fuck, this is awful. Okay, let's just try to describe and know why this is bad. It's really bad. Okay, so what I'm doing here, in this frequency set, right now let's just take this as an example. So we are looping through and storing in the map. So let's just try to create the map here. And we have the map. What is this? What? I don't know. Sometimes I type on wrong keys. So I have in the map. So in the map, I store each number, which is frequency. So number 1 has a frequency of 1. And number 2 has a frequency of 1 also. Okay. So let's just create a set which will be act like an array. Think of it as an array. And I go through the values, and these are the values. I map through the values, and frequency the values returns an array of the values, which will be 1 and 1. And the frequency and the set only accept the unique value, so it will accept only 1 1. It will not accept the second. So right now we want to know if it's unique or not. So we just try to compare. Does the frequency, the freq size is 2, but the freq set size is 1, so it doesn't work. So because of that, this is how the thing works. However, let's just say why our solution performs that bad. Let's just see why. Oh, it's really bad. Okay, let's see people that doing it. But how much? I'm taking like 60 milliseconds, and they take like how much? 30 milliseconds. Okay, so we have occurrence. Oh, this way is way more. Okay. This is pretty decent. Okay, this is the same idea, but this is pretty decent. Like, right, if you can see here, we create an object, like same thing as a map. And what I'm doing is that if array of I, if it's already there, array of I, I add 1 to it. Otherwise, I assign a new value, which will equals 1. And here I'm doing the same thing set, but just in one line. I don't know why they are pretty faster than me, because it's quite the same. However, let's see why. So I'm creating a new set of the object values of occurrences. I'm creating the set of the values. I guess this what make it faster, because they are not looping. So object.values, I'm taking the occurrences, so I'm taking it takes all the values and create a set on it, and take the size in the same time, and it's compare it to the object.values.length, and they should equal each other. Okay, that's decent one. Let's see this one. Oh, this is new. So I have, no, it's not new, the same actually. So I'm looping through the array and trying to save the HashMap. Okay, and the set. Okay, this is the same. Why this is taking 32 milliseconds and mine doesn't take? Okay, that's quite weird. However, it is how it is. So yeah, that's my solution, and I hope you like my content. Make sure, if you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and see you guys in future problems.